Hey Mara, are we on?
You are.
Oh, hey, welcome back.
Week
Guess
4.
what? We've made it. We've done 4 weeks on our new healthy way of living. And guess what? The weight is still disappearing. So far, I have lost 7 pounds, half a stone.
There you go.
And Mar has lost more. She's lost 8
A
pounds.
stone is
14 pounds for our American friends. We like to measure ourselves in stones here in the UK. So we're doing really, really good. So I'm really chuffed for that. So about 2
I
pounds.
don't think I've quite hit 8 pounds, but
nearly.
you're rounding up to make me feel good. I don't feel any
She's very
smaller.
slightly off 8 pounds, but she's more. If we're rounding up, it gets to 8.
Well, I'm as round as you can get, so there you go.
So this week we have been drinking more water, and we have also been doing a little bit more exercise. I had to go with Joe Wicks. They'd have to warm up in the first one, but I carried on with it.
Does anybody know what Joe Wicks is?
People will know. He does that exercise. You're just using your body weight, nothing else. So he says no excuses, no equipment, no excuses. Get on with it. So after I did the warm up and first round of the routine, I had to have a lay down 5 minutes. But then I did 2, 3, and 4. All right, and I was fine. And Mar's been on Swedish ball, hasn't you, Mar? Mm. She's been doing that. She's been doing the weights for bingo wings and stuff. So
hit and miss here.
And we've also been experimenting a bit with our food this week. So we had to go with making some cauliflower rice, didn't we? Mm-hmm. And well, I say we, Mar did. I was just helping.
Eating. That's what you were.
I was eating, and I squished the water out. That was my contribution. And then she made these like fritters. They were really good, weren't they? And you had to go at making them sweet and savoury, but the sweet ones didn't really work unless you use the water from the cauliflower and you put cinnamon and stuff in, didn't you? And actually they were all right, but the sweet ones with the cauliflower bits in, it didn't really go. But you got to try these things because you never know. You never know what's out there.
We've also been snowed in for 2 days.
We have. We have. It's been proper snowy and we've been cabin feverish this week. And it were a bit shocking because we thought we almost going to run out of eggs. So we went to Sainsbury's.
Iceland. We
went to Sainsbury's. There was no milk, no bread. We're not bothered about that anymore. But when we went to Iceland and bought, how many eggs did we buy, Mar?
45.
45 eggs just to see us through a couple of days. And actually for a snack, what we've been doing is like boiling sort of like 10 eggs in one go and putting them in, hard boil them, peel off the shell, put them in a container, and they're actually good for a week in the fridge. So if we fancy a little snackaroo, then that's something we've been having. So all in all, a good week, and feeling good.
How are you feeling your breathing now? We were looking at that.
Well, it was all right, but I'm a bit stuffy. So it was down this week, 60 points, which is a bit pants. So I'm a bit 300 this week, which is not fantastic.
No.
But
most people would go to the hospital at 300, wouldn't they?
So, yeah. Yeah.
Which is the amount of air you can breathe in.
Yeah, I must be efficient. My lungs must be quite, I think my VO2 is quite good. My lung max is quite good, really, but yeah.
So you're fitting into clothes you haven't worn in a
while?
while?
Yeah, I've had this jumper on for a bit, and I've got these jeans on, and yeah, feeling pretty good.
You've gone closet shopping quite a bit.
Yeah, it's great. You can go wardrobe shopping, don't cost you a thing. Get up the loft in that suitcase you've been saving for good, you know.
The loft is the attic.
There we go. So, if you're doing this change your lifestyle too, let us know how you're getting on. Maybe share some recipes. And
what are you missing?
See what works for you. Oh, the other day I really fancied some Mediterranean bread toast. Is it? Toaster's gone. No need for a toaster. No more toast. It's gone. That's in attic. In the loft. So Mediterranean bread. I fancied some that other day.
Oh yeah. Homemade bread.
Homemade bread. Yeah. We like warm with loads of butter on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was so nice. But hey ho, we can still have bacon and eggs, so it's all right.
And chicken.
Chicken.
Every end of the chicken.
Mum made she made a different chicken, didn't you? Put garlic in it, didn't you? And stuff.
Yeah, onion and garlic, Italian chicken.
Yeah.
I just didn't put lemon. I'm not sure on the lemon whether we can do that.
And then you did one with zucchini, grated zucchini on, didn't you? And then put cheese on and popped it in the oven.
What you call a courgette? Yeah.
Courgette. It's courgette, darling.
And how long did you not know what a zucchini was?
Probably about 10 years. I'm going to America. I just avoided it because I didn't know what it was.
Cool. All right then.
Bye.
So,
please say subscribe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing next? We'll follow up in a week?
Yeah, we're back in a week. You never know, we might do some, some recipes we do, something like that if you fancy that.
Okay.
Let us know what you think anyway, folks.
Bye.
Bye.